traffic reported ahead. Ooh, must be doozers at work.
Alright, now we get to see it from the other side. You see how they're all jammed up? I'm just going to go up ahead and be like the little rear ends that we always talk about. But just to show you the point that, look at all these guys, what they've done. They're not giving anyone space. You know that if I was on that side, there would be a large gap, right? And you know that I would have easily gone in, but no. Everyone's tied up. Everyone's, hueliendo fundillo, as I say. And then, well, what's a guy to do when they're over here? That's the whole point. And then, of course, the traffic slows down because they have to give, they're trying to, traffic has to go in, but you guys aren't giving enough space. And that's the problem here. No reason for it. So, and then it reinforces. So now I'm able to do this. And everybody is reinforced for the wrong thing. For creating more of a traffic backup when really just everyone has to just give some space. And it's not just some space, give ample space so that cars can come in and out. If there was an exit here, it would be the same type of thing with people jamming up and not just giving breathing room for the highway. Again, is there an accident up in front? I really doubt it. In all the years I've been traveling on the I-4 in this spot, in this segment, it's never an accident. It's always, the times I've been, it's always just simply people wanting to smell everyone else's rear end. It's just simply you don't give enough room and let traffic unchoke itself. You guys want to choke it up, and that's all that this issue is. You know, it would be one thing to say volume, but when they say traffic volume, it's not just the volume of traffic, it's the fact that you guys jam up on each other's rear ends and you don't let the traffic unchoke itself and flow, and that's all that's happening. So it's not just the volume. Of course, the more volume of stupid you have, the more backing up of traffic there will be. And that's obviously, that's what's not being said when they say it's heavy volume. It's heavy volume of stupid. Always when you hear things, always add the truth to it, okay? Because right now everyone just seems to be polite and just say, oh, it's heavy volume, it's heavy volume of stupid drivers. That's what's causing backing up traffic. See what this guy does? See, look at it, does. Yeah, saw that, right? He came out of this, and this guy's doing it behind me now. He's doing it behind me, so he's going out, and traffic's coming in. There's a bus that was coming in as well. You'll see it in a second. Again, they are creating issues. The bus came behind me. It's a miracle. See, but the bus driver has experience. He knows that continuing to go forward is going to create more of a backup and create issues. So he preferred to take advantage of the space that was behind me, and he got in, and that's fine. This guy came in front, fantastic. This is what we want to see. We want to promote intelligent driving and not this lunacy that you guys have and do on the right lane. The truck pulled out. He was holding in. I know he's not going out. He's just simply going to go ahead. Watch the truck all the way up there if you guys can see it. He just got out of the right lane, and let's see what he does. He's hitting the brakes, and he's making the signal. See? So now he wants to come in, and this is the lunacy there is here, folks. And that's a truck driver. So now, so he wanted to get, 4 or 5 cars ahead? That's it? It's just crazy and getting crazier by the moment. All right, that's it. You guys see it here. It's just dumb. Don't be dumb. Be smart. Be polite. If you're on the right lane. All the rest of you rear ends, stay on the left.